Hi guys, it's Enzo from Hoosh with another Marketo tip of the day. So for today, I'm going to share with you a very simple tip, and that's how to upload images or save images into your Marketo instance. So first, you have to go to Design Studio, and then in Design Studio, click New, which has a drop-down menu, and you can choose Upload Image or File or Grab Images from Web. So for upload image or file, you just have to upload any saved file in your computer into Marketo. So first, choose the save folder that you want. So for this instance, we're just going to use images and files, and then browse, and then look for the image that you want to upload. And then click upload. After it's uploaded, just click finish, and it should show up in your images and files folder in your design studio. The other way is to actually click grab images from web. And then for this one, what you'd have to do is again choose a folder that you want to save your images in. So at least for this one, we're going to use Marketo tip of the day folder. And then just paste here the URL where you want to grab those images from. So at least for this example, I'm using Apple. And then click next. So you'd have to actually wait a little bit because it's going to grab a lot of images from that web. But once it's actually grabbed those images, you'll have all the options available on that URL on this page. So we'll just wait a little bit more. So as you can see here, although the preview or thumbnail won't show, but eventually it will, like that one. You can choose any of these images. You can choose as much as you want, and then just click import, and it'll import all those images and save it into your design studio. So that's it. I hope that was a very helpful tip. Stay tuned for more Marketo tip of the day from Hoosh, and I'll see you soon. Bye.